Bringing beauty to your home, flower bed design ideas. This article explores the various ways that beautiful flower beds can be used to enhance the design of a private house, yard, or garden. It will discuss the different types of flower beds, the advantages of using them, and the best ways to incorporate them into a garden design. It will also provide examples of how flower beds have been used to create stunning outdoor spaces. What are the benefits of having a beautiful flower bed in a private yard? Improved aesthetics. A beautiful flower bed can add a lot of visual appeal to your yard, making it more inviting and attractive. Increased property value. Having a well-maintained flower bed can increase the value of your property. Improved mental health. Studies have shown that having a flower bed can help reduce stress and improve mental health. Improved air quality. Flowers can help filter pollutants from the air, making the air in your yard healthier. Improved soil quality. Flower beds can help improve the soil quality in your yard, making it more fertile and better for growing plants. Increased wildlife. Flower beds can attract beneficial insects and birds, which can help to control pests and improve the overall health of your yard. What are some tips for designing a flower bed? Choose a focal point. Select a central feature for your flower bed, such as a large shrub or ornamental grass, and build the design around it. Consider the size and shape of the space, measure the area and sketch out a plan that takes the size and shape of the space into account. Choose the right plants. Select plants that are suited to the climate and soil conditions of your garden. Create a color scheme. Choose a color scheme for your flower bed and select plants that will complement each other. Add texture and height. Incorporate plants with different textures and heights to create visual interest. Use edging. Use edging materials such as stones or bricks to define the shape of your flower bed. Mulch. Mulch the soil to help retain moisture and reduce weeds. What types of flowers are best suited for a private yard? The types of flowers best suited for a private yard depend on the climate and the amount of sunlight the yard receives. Some popular flowers for private yards include roses, daisies, lilies, tulips, daffodils, and hydrangeas. Other options include lavender, sunflowers, marigolds, and petunias. Consider the amount of sunlight and water the flowers will need, as well as the size of the yard, when selecting flowers for a private yard. What are some common mistakes to avoid when designing a flower bed? Not accounting for the size of the plants when they mature. Not considering the climate and soil conditions of the area. Not planning for adequate drainage. Planting too close together. Not considering the amount of sunlight the plants will receive. Not accounting for the amount of maintenance required. Not using a variety of plants to create texture and color. Not using mulch to help retain moisture and reduce weeds. Not using edging to create a neat and tidy look. Not considering the potential for pests and diseases. What are some creative ways to incorporate flower beds into a garden design? Create a winding pathway of flower beds that meander through the garden. Use flower beds to frame a seating area or outdoor structure. Plant a variety of flowers in a circular pattern to create a focal point. Place flower beds around a pond or water feature. Add a flower bed along the edge of a patio or deck. Create a flower bed in the shape of a heart or other shape. Plant a variety of flowers in a vertical pattern on a wall or fence. Plant a variety of flowers in a tiered pattern to create a cascading effect. Plant a variety of flowers in a symmetrical pattern to create a formal look. Plant a variety of flowers in a random pattern to create a natural look. How can one maintain a flower bed to keep it looking beautiful? Prepare the soil. Before planting, make sure the soil is healthy and well draining. Add compost or other organic matter to the soil to improve its structure and fertility. Choose the right plants. Select plants that are suitable for your climate and soil type. Consider the amount of sun and water the plants will need. Plant in the right way. Plant the flowers at the correct depth and spacing. Make sure to water them properly after planting. Mulch. Mulch helps to keep the soil moist and prevents weeds from growing. Prune and deadhead. Prune and deadhead regularly to keep the plants healthy and encourage new growth. Water regularly. Water the plants regularly to keep them healthy and looking their best. Fertilize. Fertilize the plants regularly to ensure they have the nutrients they need to thrive. Control pests and diseases. Monitor the plants for signs of pests and diseases and take action if necessary. What are some of the best plants to use in a flower bed? Some of the best plants to use in a flower bed are roses, lilies, tulips, daisies, marigolds, pansies, snapdragons, coneflowers, hostas, begonias, impatiens, daylilies, hydrangeas, clematis, irises. In conclusion, beautiful flower beds can be a great way to enhance the look and feel of any home or garden. With careful planning and creative design, flower beds can be used to create a stunning and inviting space for family and friends to enjoy. With the right combination of plants, colors, and textures, flower beds can be a great way to add beauty and charm to any outdoor space.